I'm living my best life. Ain't going back and forth with you now. I'm living my best life. Ain't going back and forth with you.
Hi everybody, welcome to Kee Kam and the fam, and it's Cinnamon. This is my third day taking over this channel. Well, I did have a little visitor the other day, and if you guys want to see Kee in another video, don't forget to put it in the comments. Let me know if you guys want to see Kee again on another video, if you want to see Cam or if you want to see Pops. But right now, this video, you're going to see Cinnamon, and I'm making sweet potatoes. Simple recipe. Let's get started. Okay guys, I have 3 sweet potatoes. I had started cutting a little bit, so we're gonna move those out the way, and we're just gonna chop these sweet potatoes down. My knife is going dull, please excuse it. So guys, how have you all been enjoying the videos? Is this something that you would like to see on Kee Kam and the fam more? Let me know. Because I know when we took our break, this was something that you all had actually asked for. So I think Kee and Cam and Pop should consider. I'm putting these sweet potatoes in cold water, in case you're wondering what happened to them. So I just cut them thin. Because you know, sweet potatoes really don't take long to cook. And you can just cut them however you want to. Don't be scared. Cinnamon's not going to cut herself. Don't be scared. Okay, put that in there too. So, I'm looking so very forward to the holiday, getting away, enjoying my family. Peace and quiet. Oops, sorry. Peace and quiet. Well, probably not peace and quiet. We're taking Kee and Cam with us. But if they weren't going, it would probably be peace and quiet. Cam, I thought you would have said something.
You cook my favorite meal, so I'm not going to say anything.
I need to put that on my wish list. Some stronger knives.
I got you.
You got me?
Got you.
Yeah, I think my knives are going dull. Guys, this recipe is so simple. A 9-year-old, a 5-year-old can make this. It's really, seriously, it's really a simple recipe. It's simple. And I love sweet potatoes, and I've actually had them with marshmallows. I don't push marshmallows in mine, but I have tasted them, like Ashley from My 4-Figure Life. Oh my goodness, her sweet potatoes are so delicious, so delicious. But I'm going to rinse these sweet potatoes off, and I'll meet you guys at the stove. Guys, how am I going to meet you at the stove? I haven't even told you what you're going to need. We have our sweet potatoes, we have our vanilla, 2 cups of water, nutmeg, cinnamon, and we have our sugar. And also we have 1 stick of unsalted butter. So now you can meet me at the stove. Okay, so in my pan I am pouring 2 cups of water. And into this beautiful, beautiful pan, thank you, Pops, I am adding my sweet potatoes. And we have this cooking on medium heat. And you're going to look at this, you're like, wait a minute, is that enough? Yes, it's enough water. We don't have to add anything because sweet potatoes, they actually absorb water. This one is just too thick. Okay. So, to my water and sweet potatoes, I'm adding my butter. And I always like to just slice my butter. And we're going to use a whole stick. As a matter of fact, we'll do it like this. We'll just take it out and we just gonna slice it. It don't matter how big you cut it, it's gonna melt down. And you can hear it boiling already. That mixture, we are adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla. We are also adding 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And we are also adding 1 tablespoon. We're adding 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. Some of that off there, some of that flavor. Okay. And I should have had my measuring cup for my sugar, but we're going to use the liquid measuring cup. And we're going to add sugar. And that's actually 2/3 of sugar. And we're just gonna let this boil down. So I'm gonna put the top on this and I will bring you guys back. Okay guys, my sweet potatoes have been cooking for 10 minutes. Look at that. Look at it. And see, they make their own juice. Look at that juice. Look at that. So they're still a little tender. So we're gonna give it another 5 minutes and I'm going to bring you guys back. Well guys, it's been 5 minutes and voila! Voila! Yes, these are my sweet potatoes, and as you can see, all of that good juice. Look at that juice. Just make you just wanna just slap your kids.
I think it's the other way around.
No, it make you wanna slap your kids.
I think it's slap your.
So Kee, I wanna know if you wanna taste my sweet potatoes.
Nah, I'll taste.
Cameraman, how you gonna?
It's
Cameraman.
It's okay.
Cameraman.
No.
Okay, so are you gonna try, Kee?
Absolutely.
I'm going to put Kee some. Oh, it's hot. I'm not gonna. Okay. I'm gonna let Kee try these and we'll bring you guys back. You smelling my sweet potatoes.
Well, you didn't have me in here, so I have to make sure it's legit.
How'd you get back on another video? I just asked when you go to taste them.
I invited myself. That's so good.
That's all you getting.
Can I have some greens?
No.
Beans, potatoes, tomatoes.
You name it! Tomatoes? No?
No, you didn't make
You
it.
named
No. So guys, she really enjoying these sweet potatoes, probably a little bit too much. Don't forget to check out the Epic Empire. Don't forget to check out Kee's Way, Kaminator Gamez,
Yo.
and last but not least, don't
Kaminator.
forget to check out It's a Love Thing.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys are enjoying these cooking segments because I really enjoy doing them. And I did say Kaminator Gamez.
Now you gotta say it twice.
Kaminator Gamez.
Oh,
please
what?
subscribe to
And
Kaminator
And
Gamez.
guess what?
What?
I enjoy tasting the food. You feel me? Ah, that was your little fist bump.
Oh.
Did you fist bump? Okay.
Good night, everybody. Have a blessed day.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.